sunset with my friend. I'm gonna be switching out this bodysuit. I have some long jeans on right now. I'm gonna be putting on this bikini top that I got from Amazon, and then this cover up and kind of like tucking it in my jeans, and then just using these cute sandals that I recently got. So let's go watch the sunset. I have some pita chips packed, and I think I'm gonna bring my journal if kind of want to reflect. But honestly, I think I'm just gonna be catching up with my friend because we haven't seen each other in a while. But let's go. Hi, Lenny. Oh, wait, wait,
when you film, do you look at yourself or do you look at the camera?
Oh, I look at myself.
You look at yourself? Oh, okay, because I'm like, wait, I don't know where I'm looking.
We have made it to the mall, and it's time to eat and do some shopping. Okay, let's do a taste. Oh, cheers! Here, let's do a taste.
That's so good.
Doesn't really taste like anything, but it tastes good. I like the. This is a Marilyn Monroe. It has Smirnoff, passion fruit, and something else. It actually tastes really good. It tastes good. We secured the french fries. I have one taco left. This is so good. That looks so delicious. So yummy. Beautiful sunset. Okay, I'm gonna do you guys a quick haul of what I got from Lush. I got the Sex Bomb spray. This smells so delicious. Oh, let me put my seatbelt first. Okay. Alright. Then I got the Curl Powder Hair Cream. Oh, hopefully the camera doesn't slide. So I got this curl cream. It smelled really good. And then the last thing, okay. The last thing that I got was the Dream Cream body lotion, which I haven't tried. So I haven't tried the hair product or the body lotion, but I have tried the spray, so yeah.
Sometimes I forget that we're twins.
I know. That's kind of funny. Oh my god, where's my phone? Okay, so okay, we got the goods. Show your munchies. Daniela, say hi. Hi. Okay, so we're gonna chit chat, catch up, and enjoy our munchies. Look, show them what you got. Yeah.
I just got vanilla with some sprinkles and some Oreo.
Yes, and I got some M&Ms. But it's so crazy because we used to come all the time during high school.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Well, old times. Okay, we're gonna enjoy. Bye. I'm currently going to my friend's house, and then we're gonna go to Casa Tua. Haven't been there in a while. Excited. Friday afternoon right now, but Friday night activities. Let's go. Say hi. Ben. We're at Casa Tua. I don't know if you guys can hear me. But yeah, let's have some dinner. Okay, tomorrow is Mother's Day and my mom is about to get here. So I'm gonna set up the flowers that I got her. I got this little bouquet from Publix and look how cute. I love how it says this little note. It says, para la mejor mamá del mundo. I love it. And I really like the paper that they had, because I was actually gonna do like a little bouquet myself and kind of, you know, make it look cute, but then I saw this and I'm like, wait, I love the wrapping paper. I love the little note, so I think it's perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and just like set it up. I am gonna have to like cut it a bit so it can fit in this vase. Also, I don't know where I saw that to make the flowers last longer you put ice. I could be making this up, so I don't know, but we're gonna see if it works. Also, I don't know why I've been wanting to make some chocolate covered strawberries, and I think my mom would like them, so I'm also gonna make that. And I already had chocolate chips, so I got some white chocolate to do like a little drizzle. And then I got some tulips for myself because I love tulips, and I love this orangey yellow one. I'm gonna put that in my room later. I don't want the paper to obviously get wet, so I didn't flip it up that much. I'm gonna try to find a way. Okay, wait, I think that looks cute. And I think the paper won't get wet. Cute! It looks so cute. Let me see. Oh, this, okay, from this angle it looks so cute. But wait, I want the little note to like show. I think it looks better from this angle. To like move the paper around, but I kind of want to, I don't know where this is attached. Okay, I'm gonna put this like over here. Just gonna, okay, so cute. Okay, like that. Perfect. Oh, I forgot to put this. Okay, just gonna try to give it a little lift. So please ignore my hair. Outside, it is very, very hot. I'm just gonna try to work this. Give it a little mix in there. Fine. Obsessed. Put that in my room later. Let's go make the strawberries. Okay, here's the little setup. Just got some parchment paper. Okay, a little trick that I learned is when you're melting the chocolate is that you put the amount you want. And then, oops. And then you just get some, coconut oil. This is 1 teaspoon. I think that's fine. You're melting it in the microwave, you increase by 30 seconds, give it a little whip, 30 seconds again. Okay, we're gonna finish off the chocolate covered strawberries with a light drizzle of some white chocolate.